Lenka here. Hello, traders. Today we're going to have a look at some setups on the 4-hour charts. So I'll share my screen and let's get into it. All right, so the first chart I'm looking at here is GBP USD on the 4-hour lead time frame. And I'm actually interested in this setup and looking to enter a short trade. So I'm going to do that now, get straight into it. I'm looking to enter at the end of that bar and then have the stop loss on the third bar, which is that nice engulfing, and it's for a short. So I'm going to do a sell. There we go. So that's now a pending order. So I like this setup because of the nice, strong high test bar, then an inside bar, and then that nice red bar following it. So I shall mark out the areas if you want to enter that trade, if you're following along. Let me just do a few lines first. And here we go. So I've got 3 targets at the moment. So in terms of the pending order, let's have a look at the trade. So I've got the entry is at 138649. Sorry, it's the wrong copy. Here we go. So that's for entry, 38649. Yep, there we go. Stop loss is going to be at 139291. There we go. So that's the stop loss. And the profit targets. Profit targets I'll take from here. So the first one, TP1 and TP2. Okey-doke. And the last one, okay, there they are. So that's a pending order, entry, stop loss, and TP1 there, TP2, TP. So there you go. All right, that's the trade. Let me just quickly have a look at the chat. Just entered as a DWR. Is that okay? DWR. I don't know what that is. DWR. Entry. I can move it to. The entry is probably all right. I like that setup. Hanging Man and Doji. Yes. Daily wave rider. Okay, yes, you're following that strategy. Yes, that's great. That's fine. Follow that strategy. If the entry and the stop loss is similar, then that is pretty much looking good. Okay, excellent. So let's have a look. So on that one, we went through the setup yesterday. So the trend was going downwards there. And so we were looking for that setup around this sort of area. Yeah, just the pin bar by itself, it wasn't strong enough. But now with the other two bars following, it looks good. Yep, just Trade Manager makes it easy. Yes, indeed, Helen. Thank you. All right, let's have a look at the next chart, Gbb Cad. So this one, I'm also looking for a short, looking for the short setup. I just need a strong price action, maybe next few bars. That would be nice. It's already in that sort of area. So as soon as we get some entry signal, I would be happy to go short on that one. Next is USD Cad. So with USD Cad, that one is still going sideways. It's very close to that trend line, which I like. So I'm still looking for a short if the price action comes up with a nice setup for a short entry. Euro JPY. Okay, so this is the one that we entered last week but got stopped out. It's still going sideways from that price, and I don't yet see anything that would give me confidence to enter. So I'm still staying out, waiting for some better price action there, or potentially a reversal. I don't know. So let's see what happens with that. And the next chart I'm going to look at is AUD USD. So here we have a small pullback, probably, yeah, not quite sure on this yet. We also had on the daily a bullish engulfing there. So because I'm looking for a short, I'm going to wait for better retracement and better price action for the entry. Euro USD is next. Okay, here we had not much of a pullback, not what I like to see. So I'm going to wait a bit longer, probably until the price is a little bit further up here, like so. Next chart is Euro AUD. So that one definitely still going sideways. I really like to see that pullback all the way to that trend line for a short position. So I'm not looking to enter at the moment. The Euro GBP. So that's, yeah, had a good run. It really needs to retrace back, come back to that trend line for any short positions. GBP JPY, so that's been going up strong. So looking at a pullback first for an entry. And USD JPY, so that one also has been going up nicely and just looking for a pullback. So can enter for a long on that one. So that is all the setups for today. If you would like any trade updates, then you can subscribe to the channel, the Telegram channel. I think Angel has a link and she will post in the chat box. Yep, there it is. You can join that group. So any trade setups, any additional trade setups apart from the live program will be there, and any trade management setup and instructions will also be there. So cool. Thank you, Helen. Got it. Good morning, Paul. Welcome. And yeah, so that's the end of the show for today. If you would like to join me again live, then I will be on again next week on Tuesday and Wednesday at 10 a.m. Singapore time. So all the best for the week, and I'll see you next